Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 26th November 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please remember, the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk has recently confirmed that posts containing links on X, formerly known as Twitter, are being deprioritized. This revelation came after user Paul Graham criticized the platform for limiting access to external news sources. Musk suggested that users should describe the content in their main posts and place links in replies to discourage what he calls lazy linking. This aligns with X's strategy to promote native content over external links, aiming to boost user engagement within the platform. However, critics argue that this practice restricts the visibility of journalistic content and undermines press freedom. Media organizations, especially in Europe, have expressed concern over X's role in spreading disinformation, with some, like The Guardian, even leaving the platform, calling it a toxic environment. Previous analyses showed that X imposed delays on links to competing platforms and news sites, potentially affecting their traffic and revenue. Musk's comments have reignited debates about the platform's influence on information dissemination. In other news, Elon Musk's ambitious vision to establish a human settlement on Mars within the next 30 years is facing skepticism. A new book titled A City on Mars by Kelly and Zach Weinersmith explores the challenges of such a venture. Initially supportive of the idea, the authors now argue that the harsh Martian environment, including its thin atmosphere and high radiation levels, poses severe risks to human health. They highlight the unknowns surrounding human reproduction in space and the daunting logistics of sustaining a population on Mars. The book suggests that any attempt to colonize Mars would require generations of research and development, contrary to Musk's rapid timeline. Ethical concerns are also raised, comparing Mars settlement to leaving a messy room for a toxic waste dump. The authors stress the need for more research into closed-loop ecological systems and the potential geopolitical tensions over space governance. Lastly, Elon Musk has downplayed concerns about the increasing number of satellites in orbit, particularly those from SpaceX's Starlink. Responding to a post on X, Musk agreed with a user who dismissed the idea of an orbital traffic jam as exaggerated. SpaceX continues to launch thousands of Starlink satellites to expand its broadband services, but critics warn of the risks of collisions and space debris. The Kessler syndrome, which predicts a cascading effect of collisions, is often cited as a concern. Experts like Chiara Manfletti, CEO of Neurospace, emphasize the seriousness of space debris, noting the presence of thousands of objects in orbit. While SpaceX's satellites are designed to maneuver to avoid collisions, the frequency of these maneuvers raises sustainability concerns. Organizations like the European Space Agency are actively researching solutions to manage orbital traffic responsibly. Musk's dismissive remarks may contribute to perceptions of SpaceX as neglectful of these issues, despite efforts to mitigate risks. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Stay informed and take care.